To CNBC senior economics reporter Steve Liesman with that. Steve.
Yeah, Sarah, these are the closely watched inflation expectations numbers from the New York Fed Survey of Consumer Expectations. They are 1 year and 5 year, fell a little bit in October, the 3 year unchanged. Take a look at the data. 1 year, 3.6 down 0.1, 3 year, 3% unchanged, and the 5 year consumer inflation expectations down a tenth to 2.7%. I'll come back to that in a second and give you some other data first from the survey. Expected home price growth unchanged at 3%. About average represents a big decline from the pandemic years where it was in the 5.5% to 6% range. The expected earnings growth 0.2% down to 2.8. It remains elevated though from the pandemic where it was 2.25 to 2.5. And the perceived probability of losing your job up 0.3 to 12.7, still below the pre-pandemic era. And the perceived probability of finding a job up marginally to 56.6%, and little change in delinquency expectations, something else we're watching. Sarah, I think it becomes an issue. These numbers are kind of stuck, those inflation expectation numbers, at an elevated level. They're obviously down from where they were. And I guess we have to watch this month with the decline in oil and gas prices to see if that then creeps in, or does the Fed have a problem here of inflation expectations being stuck at a more elevated level?
Right, because there was a lot of commentary over the weekend, I think, Steve, with what University of Michigan inflation expectations coming in a little higher.
Right.
So do we know if they weigh that versus market-based inflation expectations, which have been pretty anchored, as they would say, at the Fed?
Somewhere on the Fed's labyrinthian website, there is a column or a data repository of all the different inflation expectations that they watch. I guess next time we'll do this, I'll come up with the link. But they watch it all, I guess, is the answer to your question, including the market-based ones. And you'll notice when they make commentary, they say that market-based inflation expectations did this and survey did that. They watch it all, put it all together. But the key thing here is whether or not they're going to feel like they have to do something if we're kind of stuck at that 3% level, when, of course, 2% is their target, and they'd like to see inflation expectations come down to that level.